Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Snapchat filters not working. So guys, if you want to use filters on Snapchat and facing the issue that filters are not working properly, so guys, now I am going to open my Snapchat and check that my problem, what kind of problem has been error. As you can see, so guys, when I am going to apply any filter on this and filters are not working in your phone, then guys, simply you need to go back first of all, and guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings, and guys, you need to scroll it down, and guys, find here app management, and guys, after this you need to click on app list, and guys, here you need to search Snapchat. So guys, after searching Snapchat, you need to click on your app, and guys, click on storage and cache, and guys, after this simply you need to clear cache, and guys, after this you need to go back, and guys, after clearing cache, you need to open your Snapchat app, and guys, after this you need to click on your main profile here, and guys, after doing this you need to click on settings. So guys, simply you need to click on settings tab here, and guys, you need to scroll it down, and guys, from here you need to wait. So guys, now you can see here is the option of clear cache. Simply you need to clear this, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and having issue that filters not working yet, then guys, you need to open your Play Store, and guys, you need to update your Snapchat app from here. So guys, simply first of all you need to connect internet connection with your phone, and guys, after connecting you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to search Snapchat. So guys, here you can see simply you need to search here Snapchat, and guys, after this you need to update your app if not updated, and guys, after doing all the things your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.